It may sound like an echo in here because I'm in my garage. I just set up kind of a second area for trying to have an area for some big paintings that have nails behind them. And I've got the plastic on the wall so nothing's gonna get paint or anything on it. So today I'm going to gesso these two canvases, and this is sometimes one of the ways that I do texture. It's not a lot of texture like the molding paste. Molding paste is thicker, it can dry harder, but the gesso just makes kind of a minimal texture, and I really like that. I used that on my Subtle Hints series, and so I'm just going to show you today kind of what I do for that minimal texture with gesso. And I'm just going to, I've got a bunch of it here on the little paper plate. I'm just going to apply it randomly, and then I'll show you kind of what I do along the way. So I'm going to need a whole lot more gesso. Nearly dumped it. Okay. It's hard to see it, but when I skim the surface, it's got these cool texture things. And what I'll do is when I get through, I'll pull the phone over here and try to do a close-up and show it to you, that way you see what transpires. Right now I'm just slinging it on. Some areas are real thin, some are thicker. In those thicker areas, I may kind of do some tapping with my palette knife and then just barely skim over that and still leave some of the texture. Now, gesso is not going to dry exactly like you see it as far as having the raised texture like you see right now. It will kind of lower that. The texture will be, it's not going to be as raised, if that makes sense. And so you can do this more than once if you want. I have some that I've gone back over and done more layers of gesso just to build up texture. And some areas on this big one, I'm probably going to leave very thick. I'm using a ton of gesso, as you can tell. And I'm also thinking about compositional areas. Thank goodness I have plastic, because I just dumped a ton of gesso. Another thing you can do, and I've done this with other paintings, you can take some areas and just kind of do some squiggles or whatever you want in certain areas. And also bought this a long time ago. I buy weird things for texture. This is a Kindle holder, and you see the cool design in it. I thought that was awesome. So I'm gonna try to take that into some of the thicker. And I'll show you a close-up. It really makes a cool looking texture. And because I had this one by that, I may kind of change this one and not have it so much since I got that one. I love that. That worked out good. And then on this one, I might do another area. That is so cool. You never know. I buy weird things for textures. Like I said, I went into an electrical hardware place one time and bought some things that would make cool texture. So I forgot my gloves, so I've got it all over me. I'm a messy artist. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my phone, hopefully I don't turn the video off, and show you a close-up of this. Bear with me, sorry. I'm going to turn the direction, if I can. I don't know if I can. I guess I can't. I don't know how to do that. All right, so here is that texture that I just put on with that Kindle holder. And then here's some of the other close-ups of just thicker texture. And here's that squiggle. I hope I'm getting it. I'm just trying to show it to you. It's not coming through there, sorry. Let me come over here and show this one with the squiggle. If I can find it. There it is. All right, see this squiggle? And then you see how, all right, this one is gonna show you how when you take it and skim over, it has that look of not smooth. I like it when it's not smooth. Some people want their gesso to be smooth, and I don't want it smooth. So here's another close-up of that Kindle holder into the gesso. It was thick gesso, and we'll see how it looks when it dries. So I just wanted to show that to you, and we're gonna see what it looks like after it dries, but hopefully it will all come out cool when we get the finished paintings. Hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll keep these videos coming. Thank you.